Nice and sunshiny. Jacket weather, okay? We've had jacket weather, nice sunshiny days for about a few days now. 60 degrees. Enjoying the weather. Y'all remember that, right? But just look at this now. Look at this now. What's this? What? Oh my god. How? Oh my god. Look at this. And it's so funny, you can see the seasons like right up on each other. There's the leaves. Yeah, it is cold. It's so funny. It's like kind of beautiful, like how the seasons are just right here. The leaves from the fall and then the snow. Like, ain't that crazy? I definitely should have parked in the garage, but I low-key forgot it was supposed to snow today. Well, I didn't forget. I just like, I don't know. I don't even have an explanation, but I should have parked in the damn garage. Stop, Al. I'm about to shovel all of this stuff out. I'm so happy we got a shovel last year because I have to shovel my way out to even park in the garage. Like, this is crazy. This is a lot of snow. I'm excited for the snow though because we are gonna go sledding. We got like a hill in our backyard, so I'm gonna get a sled. Oh no, baby, you can't come on here. No, I did. Yeah, all the coats is in the car. Oh my god, he's mad. Oh my god, and then the wind blowing too. But yeah, they coats are in the car, so I gotta make access to get to the car. I can't even get to the car. Woo, I was not prepared for this much snow. I knew it said snow, but I thought it was gonna be like a little, you know what I'm saying, a little cute little skirt of snow. No, baby, this is the whole dress. 3X to be exact, because this is a lot of snow. Isaac, you don't have another jacket? Well, he do got a coat upstairs, so I guess I'll go get his other coat so he can come outside with us. Like I was saying, I'm kind of excited for them to go play out in the snow. Not today though, because the wind is blowing and it's real, like, you know, when the wind blowing and it's snowing, it's just not cute. So maybe once it's settled down, I'll take them outside to play and have like a little snow day and try to get a little bootleg sled going on, because I just cannot seem to find like a real sled in the stores. Alright y'all, so we about to go ahead and get this snow out of the way. Give me my shoe. Give me my shoe. Let me see.
Powering on. Ready to pair. Paired.
Stop flooring, trying to give you what I never had. Say I don't know how to love you, babe. Oceans involved and teach me, show me how to love someone. Teach me how to love. How I do.
it's over now. No more cloudy days. They're all gone away. Feel like I can make it. The storm is over now.
I'm more than a conqueror. Can I get a witness up in here? Hallelujah. Come on and say what it's for. Jesus, your love is so, it's so amazing. Makes me wanna dance. My brother, can't you see? I got the victory. In the blood of the Lamb. Come on, get up on it. It ain't over. It ain't over.